Laughing. He's using context clues to figure out the words. What does that word say down at the bottom?
Messy.
What does that word say down at the bottom?
Clean.
Show me some more.
Read me some more pages.
Wake, sleep.
Where are the words?
Wake, sleep. Wet, dry. This one. Close, open, happy, says,
Oh, the baby's just sad.
bowl, empty. Dirty boots, clean boots.
Where's the words? Can you point to the word? What does that say? What does that word say?
Dirty boots, clean boots. Many,
There's many.
many.
How many there are there?
1, 2, 3, 4. Straight, cricket,
Where's the word crooked? I don't see the word crooked.
cricket, straight.
Wow.
All done.
Yay! Madison read Mommy and Daddy a book. It's time to read On Top of Old Spaghetti.